Students, we have seen that the general expression for the displacement of the particle performing linear SHM is given by x is equal to a sine of omega t plus phi. From this equation, we can obtain the expressions for displacement in two particular cases. Case 1, if the particle starts from the mean position. Then x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0. We can understand this by diagram. Here path of SHM is shown by PR. O is mean position of particle performing linear SHM along this path PR, and R and P are two extreme positions of particle performing linear SHM. Now when it reaches at positions P and R, its displacement is maximum. But here particle starts from mean position, means at time t is equal to 0, value of x is equal to 0. So put these values in equation and we get, so substituting x is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0, we get 0 is equal to a sine of 0 plus phi. Therefore 0 is equal to sine phi. Now sine of 0 is 0, it means value of phi is equal to 0. Now substitute phi is equal to 0 in equation 1 and we get displacement x is equal to a sine omega t. So remember, x is equal to a sine omega t is the expression for the displacement of particle at any instant t if the particle starts from the mean position. Now case 2, if particle starts from the extreme position, then x is equal to a, that is amplitude. A, capital A is for amplitude at time t is equal to 0. So substitute these conditions in equation 1 and we get, simplifying, sin phi is equal to 1. But we know that sin pi by 2 is also 1. Therefore value of phi is equal to pi by 2. Substitute value of phi is equal to pi by 2 in equation 1 and we get x is equal to a sine of omega t plus pi by 2. And this can be written as x is equal to a cos omega t. You know formula साइन ऑफ थीटा प्लस पाई बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा, तो वो फॉर्मूला हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे यूज किया, तो वी गेट x इज इक्वल टू a cos ओमेगा t. तो दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द पार्टिकल एट एनी इंस्टेंट t if the particle starts from the extreme position. So these equations we can use while solving numericals. And here it is also clear that if particle starts from mean position, its displacement is minimum and its value is 0. And if particle starts from extreme position, its displacement is maximum and that is equal to amplitude of particle. Now let us obtain maximum and minimum values of velocity in linear SHM. Now we know that the velocity of particle performing linear SHM is given by v is equal to plus or minus omega under root of a square minus x square. Case 1, when particle is at mean position, its displacement is 0. So substitute this value in equation of velocity and we get root of a square is a. So we get v is equal to plus or minus a omega. So we can say that at mean position, velocity of particle performing SHM is maximum and its maximum value is a omega. Now case 2, at extreme position, when displacement is maximum, that is value of x is equal to plus or minus a. Substitute x is equal to plus or minus a in velocity, equation of velocity of particle performing linear SHM. V is equal to plus or minus omega under root a square minus plus or minus a square. A square minus A square is 0. So 0 into omega, the whole value we will get 0. Therefore V is equal to 0. And this is minimum value of velocity. So we can say that at extreme position, velocity is minimum. So always remember, velocity is maximum at mean position and its maximum value is plus or minus A omega. And it is minimum at extreme position and its minimum value is 0. Now let us see maximum and minimum values of acceleration of a particle performing linear SHM. Acceleration of particle performing linear SHM is given by formula A is equal to minus omega square x. We have seen this in previous lecture. Case 1, at mean position x is equal to 0, substitute in the expression of acceleration and we get acceleration is equal to 0. So we can say that at mean position acceleration is minimum and this minimum value is 0. Case 2, at extreme position when x is equal to plus or minus a, substitute in the expression of acceleration. Therefore acceleration is equal to plus or minus a omega square. So we can say that at extreme position acceleration is maximum and its maximum value is plus or minus a omega square.